In this video, we are going to learn about the first component of HTML, that is headings. But before that, let us study the basic structure of HTML. Open brackets. Remember to open the folder in which you are saving all your HTML files. Make a new file, headings.html. Okay. We write the basic structure of our HTML code. In most of the web pages, doc type HTML is written first. This notifies the browser that the document type being loaded is of HTML. Next comes the HTML tags. Whatever is present within these tags will be the content of our web page. Inside the HTML, first comes head section. For the time being, we are including only title in our head section. This will become the title of our page or the heading. Next comes the body after head section. In this section, we are changing the properties of whatever elements we will add to our web page. For example, the input type, the background image, the background color, font size, font color, etc. Let it be Hello World. Save the file and run this. See, my first web page is the title and Hello World is the content. Let us study about headings. I will remove this. You can also change the title to headings. Headings basically provide 6 different font sizes for your text from H1 till H6. H1. The same thing we are going to use again and again, so we can copy this. First one is head. Similarly, we're going to write headings 3, headings 4, headings 5, heading 6. You can see the result. These are the 6 different types of font sizes. We can click on live preview to see what is the result. To see the result, headings is a title. Headings 1 is of bigger size, then it goes on decreasing till heading 6, and after heading 6 we don't have further tags like heading 7. And you can also see that beyond heading 6 it won't be visible. Some things to keep in mind: it always has an opening tag and a closing tag. Closing tag starts with a forward slash. In, in some cases there are no closing tags. We will come across such tags in our lectures. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will study about paragraph section of HTML.